When you hear Miami, what's your first thought in mind? When you hear Miami? Miami. Anyway, what's your first thought? Mine? I think about my rollerblades. I've not done roller skating for ages, and I've always wanted to do in Miami. Fortunately, I've not visited yet, so hopefully one day will happen and I'll get to do the roller skating around the beach and just enjoy myself in the sunshine. But yes, another thing is parties and drinks and fun and all this kind of stuff going on. So today I'm having for you a special one. It's called Miami Beach, and it's not if you expect to be something like, you know, tropical or frozen or too many garnishes and just like a funky cocktail. It's a short cocktail and it's pretty much spirit based, but it's fantastic tipo and fantastic to see. It's based on Scotch whiskey with a dry vermouth and a bit of grapefruit juice, and today we're using a pink grapefruit because it's my favorite, okay? So yes, Miami Beach, let's make it. What we need, it's equal part of all three ingredients. Again, a cocktail just with three ingredients. But trust me, it's fantastic. The original cocktail is required for 3/4 ounce, which is around 20-21 ml. But we're gonna go pretty much like 20 ml just to level it, to make it nice and easy. So yes, 20 ml of Scotch whiskey. I'm using a JB Rare. You can use any Scotch whiskey. In fact, if you are not much fan of the Scotch whiskey and you maybe prefer a bourbon, I'll say just go for it. Make it with a bourbon. It won't work with any peaty whiskey like single malt, of course, because they have their own profile, which in this cocktail it won't be working very well with the dry vermouth and the grapefruit juice. But who knows, you may like it. So 20 ml of the Scotch whiskey, then we have 20 ml of dry vermouth. Again, I'm using Noilly Prat, the French master of vermouths, but if you have martini dry or you have Ferdinand's or you have any other dry vermouth, just use it. So 20, and then grapefruit juice. It's not specific to the grapefruit juice. You can use white grapefruit, you can use pink grapefruit. I do love the pink grapefruit, so I always have pink grapefruit at home, and that's what I'm gonna use today. A pink grapefruit, 20 ml. Here we go. Let's drop some ice in our shaker. Yeah, come on. Let's give it a shake. I do love simple cocktails, you know. Simplicity sometimes it's the best, and it's amused me how you can have just 3 ingredients cocktail as the Miami Beach, and you have such a beautiful drink in your hands. Now let's strain it. Don't need to double strain, but if you prefer, if your juice, for example, it's freshly squeezed or it's with some bits inside, like fresh fruit, some of the companies doing it like that, and you don't like that, do a double strain. But I personally prefer everything to go in the glass. Look at that beautiful, nice color. Because of the mixing of the Scotch and the dry vermouth, obviously they have this caliber and it's like a nice golden color. And the pink grapefruit, it's turned like a peachy color. I think so. It's kind of a workout with the name Miami Beach, yeah? Look at that, baby. Let me just put it close to the camera. Yeah? It's like a pinky, peach, orangey, I don't know. It's worked lovely. Doesn't require garnish again, but I'd like to use a little bit of pink grapefruit zest. Nothing fancy, just to squeeze and express a little bit of the grapefruit oil around the drink. just to give a little bit more flavor of the grapefruit. Put some on the stem just to go on your fingers, and basically just drop it in. Don't even go too fancy, okay? And this is it, guys. This is a Miami Beach cocktail. If you're watching from Miami, cheers to you. Hopefully I'll visit you one day. Let's try this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm kind of loving it. Very dry and bittery. My type of drink. I do love dry and bitter drinks, and that is just exactly what I like. You have the kick from the scotch, and then you have this nice dryness coming from the vermouth combined with the grapefruit juice, and of course the bitterness, and finally the zest and the citrus coming from the grapefruit as well, and the grapefruit zest on the top. Smells fantastic. Oh man, I can imagine that, just sitting in Miami on the beach on some chaise-longue and just sipping that. Don't even need to roller skate, or maybe after the roller skate, like a treat. So this is the Miami Beach, guys. Like and subscribe as always. I hope you support this channel. Enjoy your time at home, stay safe, and tune in for another video coming very soon. My name is George, and I love you and leave you as always. Stay safe. Bye bye.